Okay guys, welcome to Pattaya. I'm at a brand new market here. It's still under construction. Quite a few vendors, very few customers. It might be just a little bit early, but normally by this time of night, just coming dark, should be busy already, and it's not. There's a few people, but not many. Inside here is all fresh food, or primarily fresh food. And over this way, restaurants. All along here is little restaurants. We're gonna go in and take a look around, see what they got in here. I walked through already. Not a lot of stuff, but enough. He's standing there laughing at me the entire time. Probably like everyone who's been watching. Whoa, look at that. Oh, smells really, really good. Thank you. As you can see, not a lot of customers. Oh, palo, huh? Fresh produce. This is something I haven't seen in probably 15 years. You buy the ticket, inside has a number, and if the number corresponds with one of these, you win your bottle of whiskey. I haven't seen that in a long time. It used to be very popular. As you can see, room for more.
Very good.
Very good, yeah? Beautiful chicken. Got some chicken feet, some chicken blood. They both got the fan. Chicken and pork. Hello. The cute girl is waving. There we go. Thank you. Not much beef. Looks pretty good though. It does actually look pretty good. I tell you, everybody wants to be on camera. They feel left out if I don't notice. Here's what she's doing. Look at this chicken. You get the egg, embryo, liver, gizzard, alpha chicken. It's got the head, all for 90 baht. It's a pretty good deal. Hello. Very nice. Barramundi is getting more popular in these markets. Don't see them in every market, but it is pretty common. These guys were moving a minute ago. There we go. Do something. These are delicious clams. Make them nice and spicy. Oh yeah, they're delicious. Never tried these. One day. Thailand has a lot of different kinds of snails. using an axe. And she's standing on a plastic stool. Wow. You got a really nice setup here. Sponsored by, works for. Ooh, that little dog almost got the baby. That's not a good little dog. Security's here. Not scared at all. Okay, back to the food. This is laid out pretty much Western style, you know? Not Thai markets, that's for sure. Hello. Beautiful you have here, yeah? The boss. Hello, boss. Very nicely done. Different, you know? Different for here. Fresh. Yep. You see this? Maybe a size difference. 280 for the dead one, 270 for the live one. They look the same size to me. I know which ones I would buy. Got a lot of helpers in here. Hello ladies, hi! Oh, well there it is guys. Not a very busy market, a very happy one. Lots of happy people, that's for sure. Very, very friendly. Security cat. Very cute little cat that is. Not scared of nothing. A nice cut fish. And some tilapia on the way out. Alright guys, there it is. As always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe so you see the next one. Hopefully it's a busier market than this one. Although this one is plenty cool, it's just gonna need some time. As you can see, brand new. Not sure when it opened, but it was not long ago.